How are we doing, guys? Day 17 and a quick one on choice. So a lot of the time when I speak to people about habit formation and goal setting, things like that, they can feel a bit overwhelmed and get a bit, apprehensive. But then once I explain to them and break it down that really all we're doing is making small choices, better conscious choices, that's all we're doing. It puts them at ease, and it's a manageable task, and these can be transferred into every part of your life, whether it be business, personal, fitness. It doesn't matter. These small changes can be done for anything, whether it's choosing to eat better, choosing to make another phone call, choosing to spend more time with your kids. They're all choices that we can make, but the main choice is deciding to change. That's the biggest one. Now, I learned this a couple of years ago now, probably from Tony Robbins, and he goes over this in depth about you've got the choice to feel how you want to feel, be who you want to be, and do what you want to do. But the initial choice is that you want to change. That's the choice you have to make. The only difference between you being where you are and where you want to be is a choice. That's it. There is always, as I say, help out there if you want to make a choice and you need support to make that choice. But you've got to make it. Have confidence in yourself and make the choice. Cheers, guys. See you tomorrow.